Welcome to Vision Illustrations. We bring for you technical tips, tricks, tutorials, new and useful Android app introduction, hacking tips, comedy, entertainment, and much more. Subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button and get the notifications by clicking on bell icon. Hi guys, welcome to Vision Illustrations. Today I am going to show you how to back up your text messages, your SMS messages before formatting your phone. So let's go. First of all, go to Play Store. And then find the app SMS Backup. This SMS Backup Plus. The first app, you have seen the red color envelope and green color text. So install this application. I already have installed it. Just open the application and click on the backup. I have already backup my text messages. So it will ask you for the, just click on the connect. There is one check box, just check that box. The application will ask you for the email address, in which email address you want to be backup your SMS. Enter your email address and then connect. So you will need to reauthorize your account after disconnecting the local SIM state. Okay, I show you how to do. Just click on the connect checkbox. It will ask you for the Google account. My account is here. I will select. Now it's connected with your Google account. Just click on the backup. With this application you can do backup, and after formatting you can restore. You can install this application again, add same email ID and then click on the restore. Your all the SMS will be restored in your SMS folder, SMS application. In that case you also can do, if you want to change your phone and you don't want to be lost your messages, your text messages, like from your bank statements or some important messages, and you are not willing to lose your SMS but you want to change your phone. In your old phone you can install this app and then you can do the backup, and in the new phone you can install again the same application, add the same email account and then click on the restore. All the messages from other phone, it will be restored in your new phone. So like this you can save your messages, your important things. I hope you will like you will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and in the next video I'll show you how to back up your contacts. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.